Okay, welcome. So today I just wanted to give a announcement really. I just received a message from Joy Schaverien, who wrote the book Boarding School Syndrome, and just asking just to let me know about this course that she's doing in 10 days time, and I thought I'd just share it here. So it's the title of the course is called Revisiting Boarding School Syndrome, Girls and Their Bodies, and it is on the 1st of October from 10 a.m. till 1 p.m. and the cost is £30, or for students £25. So yeah, basically I interviewed a couple of weeks ago Amelia White, talking about co-educational boarding schools, how it is for girls. She spoke a bit about that there, and also speaking to Karen Macmillan and Sara Warner. It's the same thing. Them talking about the how it is for girls. And there's not that much out there really. A lot of it's related to boys. So this workshop is really, what was it like for girls? So I'll read a little bit about it. She says, in her recent paper, Revisiting Boarding School Syndrome, she has documented the anatomy, the ABCD of this trauma, which is A, abandonment, B, bereavement, C, captivity, and D, dissociation. This talk will develop some of these themes with reference to the experiences of girls who grew up within an often unsympathetic and male-identified institution. For younger women in mixed-sex schools, the problems encountered may be different from those of women who attended single-sex schools. These may include sexual pressure from the peer group and epidemics of eating disorders. It is hoped to have a lively discussion. So it's really interesting, because that's exactly what Amelia was talking about, this idea of sexual pressure, that as an 11-year-old, the 18-year-old boys would come into their boarding house and they would choose one of these 11-year-olds as a fruit bat. That was the name they were given. It was someone, you'd be given this sexual attention, and this sexual pressure there. So yeah, I really kind of resonate. So I really recommend it. I'll leave a link in the bottom so you can go and join the group. I would like to be there, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, I'm going to be on holiday. It might be I'm back. If I am, then hopefully I'll be able to attend. Please do go and visit. Her work is amazing. I was reading through her book in preparation for the Sara Warner, Karen Macmillan interview a few months ago about women and girls in boarding school, and it's like the experiences they've been through. So I think this will be really useful, either if you were an ex-boarder or you work with ex-boarders. Okay, enjoy.